welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make the best matcha latte at home. So my version is gonna be the sweet matcha latte because I love sweet, and I'm gonna show you guys how to make the one that is similar to the one that you get at Coffee Bean, which is my absolute favorite one. And I will show you guys how to make two different versions. So yeah, if you guys are interested in knowing how to do it, then keep watching. And guys, before we head on with this video, if you're new here, welcome, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure to do that right now before I keep going. Alright guys, so let's get to it. I used to drink coffee for a long time, like since I was 5 years old, and I absolutely love coffee, but unfortunately I had to stop drinking it because I had health issues, and coffee is one of the things I had to get rid of. But I found an alternative. Ever since I started drinking matcha latte, I've been obsessed with it. So I have two versions, like I said earlier. The first one is the one from Coffee Bean. So not all coffee beans have these powders, but if you live near one, you can go ahead and check if they have them available. The matcha shizuoka powder, so this is the exact same matcha powder that they use at the store. So this is the powder, and I love the box and how it looks like, and the powder is right here. And then I also would purchase the vanilla powder. I love vanilla. That's why I really love their matcha latte. It's so delicious. It smells so good. This is what it looks like. So those are my two combos. And for those who are not able to purchase these two powders, my alternative would be Lipton matcha latte sweetener. So you can find these at Ralph's, and if you don't have a Ralph's, then it would be a Kroger. So yeah, I would get these. I think this little bag is like $5 or something, so it's a little expensive, versus these are like $13, and there's a lot of powder in there. It will last you a long time. But if you can't find those, then go ahead and purchase this because this one is really good. And then to find an alternative for the vanilla sugar, I would purchase the vanilla brown sugar, and this one I believe is from Whole Foods, but you can find this anywhere. So right now I'm gonna show you guys how to make the matcha latte with the powder that I purchased from Coffee Bean, but you can do the same exact way I'm gonna do it right now, but with the ones that I just showed you that you can buy at different other stores. So yeah, let's get to it. So over here we have my little mom cup, and I already boiled my water, so you would have to boil some water. Doesn't matter how you boil it. And then you would just put a tiny bit of water. So you would want to put only this amount of water, just a little bit, so it comes up to here. So that's it, right? Or else it's gonna be way too watery. So just a tiny bit of water. You will want to grab your spoon and then grab the matcha. You guys, this smells so good. And then you just want to put about 3 spoons, depending on how much you love matcha and how much you're tired and you need some caffeine inside. I would put 4, but that's totally up to you. Then I would take my vanilla and I would put 3 scoops. Then you stir it. Then you want to grab your milk, any milk that you like to drink it with. So I like to drink the Lactaid 2% fat milk, and it's lactose free. This is my favorite milk, but you can choose any milk. You can do almond milk, soy milk, regular milk. It's up to you. And then you want to fill the milk all the way up to the top. And now it's ready to drink. It tastes just like the one from Coffee Bean, I swear to you guys. And also what I realized before I found these ones was the Lipton powder that I got at Ralph's and the brown sugar from Whole Foods. Those two worked the same exact way. Obviously there's a little slight different taste, but it tasted just as good as that one. So now if you guys want to make your drink colder, you can just add a few ice cubes in your drink, or if you just want to drink it like that. This one is more like room temperature. That's the way I like to drink it. Now if you guys want to warm it up, you can just throw it in the microwave, but don't put extra water because then your matcha is going to taste more watery and it's not going to have the flavor anymore. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, share, comment down below, and guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, have a good one. Bye.